YouTube, it's AJ here with another video. I'm gonna play Geometry Dash for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna do something else. So I hope everyone's summer is good or bad, but ours is good.
Some people still aren't even out for summer.
Gosh, Kenneth, you made me die, Kenneth.
Some people aren't even out for summer.
For real?
For real. My dad's still not even out for summer.
Oh yeah, cause that's your dad.
But he's a teacher. He teaches school. His school isn't out of school yet. Jefferson County schools aren't out of school yet. They aren't out of school till today's the last day of school.
Dang, Kenneth.
I didn't even do anything, retard. Shut up.
No. Wait, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. We're having a tornado watch. No! I trying to be Carbon.
Yes.
So Kenneth is trying to be Carbon.
No!
What? I hold it.
You suck.
I hold it.
You suck.
I did. I hold it.
No, AJ, your stupid music is like messing my head up. My
What?
music is
What?
just messing me up.
What music?
It's gonna be confused. The music, the Geometry Dash music is messing my Geometry Dash music up. It's just messing me up.
At that part. At that part. I'm still gonna try to beat it. Yeah, not near.
I can't ever beat that.
What part?
Rocket shit.
Alright.
What do you say?
Can we warm up?
Okay.
That part. Wait, are you talking about where the yeah, are you talking about where I go to the dimensional and then go to the spaceship?
Yeah. Because the first spaceship was easy. But second time you go to the spaceship thing, it's the part.
Oh, are you talking about the zigzag part?
No, AJ.
Yeah, I could beat this right now, but
You were so annoyed when you said that. I could beat this right now, but I could do this right now, but I would do this right now, but why wouldn't you, huh? Why won't you beat it right now, huh? There is no reason because you can't beat it.
I already did though.
Sure, that's a cover up. You're saying it to your audience.
Yeah, cause I already beat it.
You did beat it.
Then how come I'm 100% on here?
Somebody must have gone on it and beat it for you.
No, I have a password on here. I'll never tell no one.
You must have hacked it. Are you still colorblind?
Yep.
You beat colorblind?
Huh?
You beat colorblind?
Yeah. I might dig that part. Come on, hurry up, I'm beating you.
Like Carter left the level.
I'm beating it. Right there. Right there. Right there.
I don't see anything.
Right there.
I don't see anything.
Level completed.
I don't see anything.
I didn't collect the coins, but I beat it. Can you beat it, kitten? It's getting laggy. You know what, guys? I could play Family Feud. Actually, no, I'm not gonna play Family Feud. Guess I could play NBA Live Mobile. Yeah, this having a tornado watch, but you know. Oh, do you want to beat it?
Yeah, but you still can't beat freaking
Charge the power?
Charge the
I don't
Power.
care. That's hard. Carbine is more harder than Charge the Power.
But you can't beat it. Prove that you're trash.
No, I can't beat it. I don't want to.
Here's the part. You haven't. You haven't beat it yet. I beat it like 5 times.
Don't let him make it. Y'all.
I could ask them, I hope you guys are having a good or bad time. You said something like that. You're like, I hope you guys are having a...
I'm still doing a video.
bad time. I don't care.
Yeah, you don't care.
It's just like something. You're like, I hope you guys are having a good summer or bad summer.
I did?
My summer right now is good. It's good.
See, 20 to watch. Oh no!
Shut up.
It's a moderate. That's not good.
Yes, moderate. AJ, you want to hear how I feel about that? You want to hear how I feel about that?
I don't care. It's a tornado watch until 8.
Look. This is how I feel. This is how I feel that we have a moderate. You hear him? He said, "Let's go." Look, watch. This is how I feel.
Yeah, this is a tornado watch until 8. So, damaging wind, hail, very rain, mostly south and west. Oh, here's a picture right here. That's the picture. It's in Somerset too.
That's not good.
What?
That's not good. That's all on us. You're in the middle. Where is he locked up at?
So they must have a tornado watch or something. See, look, it tells us everything right here. Now 65 cloudy. At 4 it's 65. 5 it's thunderstorm. 6 thunderstorm. 7 rain. 8 rain. So we're good. So now I'm gonna go back to here. I'm sorry if y'all seen this. I'm just saying.
Girls go to college to get more knowledge. Boys go to Jupiter to
Dang!
a cold one with the boys.
Can you look at this rain coming in? Look.
That's nothing. Look.
Look at all that red though.
There's rain right there. There's rain right there. What I'm guessing is it's rather going down like that or it's going up like that. No, they said it's going south. Oh no, they did. I guess. Yeah, they did say south, meaning that that's coming up here, or rather that is or that is. I'm thinking that red and purple thing is though.
I'm going back. Daily. Hold up. Today's Wednesday, right?
Yep.
It's a tornado watch. It says thunderstorms. Exactly. Tornado watch, but thunderstorms. What the heck?
I brought you into this world, and I can take
Like,
you out
what
of
the heck?
leash.
Thunderstorms. Oh my. It says again, tornado watch is issued for Lexington.
What about a tornado warning? I want a tornado warning.
By YouTube.